One day the earth will speak, and I fear all it will say is plastic. Greetings, everyone. Have you ever thought what the earth would say if it could talk back to us? Would it thank us or would it beg us to stop? This thought hit me recently while I was strolling in my neighborhood park. Once a peaceful place filled with fresh air and chirping birds. It is now home to plastic bottles, snack wrappers, and shopping bags flying in the wind like forgotten promises. Plastic is so deeply woven into our everyday routine that we barely notice it anymore. From our snack wrappers to shopping bags, from our pens to our lunch boxes, it is everywhere. Most of this is single use plastic. We eat, we throw, and we forget. But it stays for hundreds of years, polluting our land, harming animals, and even entering our food chain as microplastics. And I'll admit, I used to think it's just one wrapper. What difference does it make? Until I saw 10 others think the same. And that's when I realized it's never just mine. So I asked myself, if I am part of the problem, why can't I be part of the change? Now I carry a steel water bottle, I use cloth bags, I reuse paper for projects, and most importantly, I've stopped ignoring what I once walked past. My school has joined the mission too. We collect used pens and turn them into useful crafts. We also run workshops on eco alternatives. Let me be clear. Plastic itself is not our enemy. It has helped in hospitals, in technology, and even in space. But it becomes dangerous when we become careless. And thankfully, we have alternatives. Cloth bags, jute folders, bamboo brushes, leaf plates, and even science and technology are already helping us with innovative alternatives. We now have biodegradable plastics made from cornstarch and seaweed, and edible cutlery that literally melts in your mouth. Across India, some roads are being made by mixing shredded plastic with tar. Can you imagine? Waste as once polluted is now help build infrastructure. The earth is not asking us to be perfect. It is asking us to be responsible. So tomorrow when you open your snack or buy something from a shop, just pause, look at the plastic and ask yourself, do I really need this or I'm just used to it? Because every wrapper we avoid, every plastic bag we say no to is a victory for the earth. Instead of plastic wrapped packet of chips, why not carry some homemade snacks in reusable containers? Healthier for us and gentler for the earth. Let us not wait for the change. Let us be the change. Because if not us, then who? If not now, then when? Thank you.